Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy at home. I just wanted to hop on here and film a little video real quick today, which means that I had to put on real clothes and makeup, so save your applause for the end. Anyway, so today I just wanted to talk about a swimsuit from a company called Voda Swim. So Voda Swim is a online swimwear boutique. You can find them on Instagram at Voda Swim, or you can just head over to their website at vodaswim.com. So they sent over a bathing suit. It is part of the Envy Push-Up bathing suit collection. It is super cute. So this is the top here. It is a blue, I think the actual listing online was blue azure sand. Let me double check. Okay, so this particular bathing suit is called the Envy Push-Up Color Block. It is a halter top and a high-waisted bottom. So this is the color Azure Sandstone Bronze. I just wanted to make sure I got that right. So the top is like a triangle shape. So you have a this is like the style nowadays is like the triangle top, which I really like. I think it is a good coverage. I think some of the other bathing suits like the bandeaus and just some of the other ones, they're super cute, and if you can find the right fit, that's perfect. But if you are somebody that has a difficult time finding something that fits right, the triangle shaped tops are the best way to go because they're a pretty good coverage. And then the padding, like I said, it is the Envy Push-Up collection, so there is padding, but it's not so much that it is going to be overbearing, which is really awesome because I know when it comes to bathing suits, some swimsuit tops have no padding at all, which, you know, can feel even kind of frumpy. But then you also have bathing suits that have so much padding that it's just ridiculous and you don't feel like you are appropriately wearing a bathing suit. And then the bottoms are, like I said, high-waisted. Here they are here. So they're super cute. This tag is still stuck. There we go. Okay, so they are the high-waisted bottoms. The back is the highest level of coverage that they have, which I tried this on, and it is a good coverage, especially for a high-waisted bottom. The bottoms are another thing that, okay, so let me back up here. I have such a hard time finding bathing suits. I feel like I just can never find the size that I'm looking for, especially because a lot of places, they offer, when you're purchasing a bathing suit, they offer just a one size top and bottom. So if you are a small top, you're getting a small bottom, or vice versa. And if we're being real, that's not typically how that works. A lot of people will need a different size top than bottom. So the big thing about this website and this company that I love is that you can purchase two different sizes. You can get a size for your top and a size for your bottom. They do come separately, which makes it super easy for you to be able to find the size that you are looking for, because I mean, for me personally, I need a bigger top than I do bottom. So it really helped out that I was able to get a different size for each piece. Also, when it comes to bottoms, I am more of a I'm more of a conservative person, I would say. So I like things that have more coverage. I know a lot of companies, their bottoms are so tiny. I don't want to say tiny. They are tiny, but they cover like nothing, and I'm just not about that. I feel like I'm a little old for that at this point, so I'm not about that. So when I saw that these bottoms were a close to, if not completely full coverage, I was like, you know what, this is the bathing suit that I'm choosing. So super cute. The back has a lot of coverage. The front, now, like I said, I will show a clip of me with the bathing suit on, but when I did try it on, the top or the bottoms, they are high-waisted and they lay at a perfect spot. They are kind of a high cut on the legs or on the hips, but that is something that you can expect when you have a high-waisted bottom, especially if you want it to fit correctly. But in any case, this bathing suit is very flattering. I love the color. It comes in a couple different colors, this one particularly. It comes in a, and I can tell you right now because I have it up, it comes in a sandstone, rose, and aubergine. It looks kind of like a black, but that is pretty. It also comes in a white sandstone and black, and it comes in a white turquoise and loganberry, all of which are super cute. They're all this halter top and the high-waisted bottom. Highly recommend. It is affordable. I know a lot of bathing suit companies that sell pieces separately. They sell the pieces like $120+ per piece, which I think is a little ridiculous. You know, I'm all about bringing you affordable fashion and affordable pieces, so I do believe that these are affordable. I know that we are in a quarantine stay-home order right now, so unfortunately spring break has been canceled, so you can't be wearing this right away unless you live in a warmer place with a pool in your backyard. Then by all means, I highly recommend. But like I said, and like everybody else has said, there is light at the end of this tunnel, so I mean, it doesn't hurt to buy a swimsuit because you will eventually be able to hit the beach, you will eventually be able to hit the pool, go on vacation. Those things will eventually come. So I highly recommend this bathing suit. It is super cute. The quality feels amazing. I feel like I will not have to worry about, you know, either of these pieces falling apart in the water. Another thing that I like is that the back buckles, so that is great because I mean, when I have suits that tie in the back, I sometimes worry about that. But in any case, very high quality, highly recommend, and so this is the bathing suit on. It fits perfectly. So the bottoms, they are high-waisted. They sit at a pretty good spot. It is kind of a high cut over here, but to have the high-waisted top, I think that is a good compromise. The top fits perfectly too. The coverage is really great. It fits like a glove. I love the colors. It is just overall really cute. I have this cover up on because it is freezing in my house. But anyway, so I really like these colors. It is a combination of colors that I really wouldn't think to put together, but it's really cute. I love it. I can't wait until this quarantine is over so that I can wear it. So if you're interested in checking out any more pieces from Voda Swim, which they have so many different styles on their website that are all super cute. They have one pieces, they have bikinis. I saw a few two pieces that have like a tank top, which were super cute as well. I know when I say that you think of like, you know, very unflattering suits, but these were actually really super cute that, you know, I would totally buy. So anyway, if you're interested in checking out Voda Swim, I will leave a link to their website in the description below. I will also leave a link to my blog post that goes over this swimsuit and that has links to this swimsuit and others that I think are super cute. I will leave that blog post link in the description below as well. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it to be notified of whenever I post. Follow me on social media at BreeCutter, and until next time, see you guys.